The easiest braid you can do within 2 hours. This is the braid I did for my sis, and I want to share this with you all. It's very simple. It didn't take much of my time. It's Ghana braid, and I made it in such a way that it won't break her front hair. What I did different, or many of you do this when braiding hairs, but what I did different was start off by braiding her natural hair before adding in the attachment, and this helps to protect the front hair from breaking out. So guys, you noticed I started by braiding the hair first before adding the attachment. I think this is a safer way of braiding Ghana weaving. It helps to protect the front hair from breaking out. Yeah, so basically this is what I want to show you guys, how I make my Ghana braid. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment. See you.